If stu- if students will take out little time for their homework, so they will get a habit of doing their homework, and when they will come in bigger classes, so they have to do self study plus homework, so they will having a habit. That's why they will not have any problem of studying.
But in bigger classes, there is less homework than small students as well, because the teachers know that the students are much responsible to do the self study. We shouldn't give homework.
No, homework should be gotten, because then habit will be gone, because they have to do at least little homework also and self study also, because they will also not have a habit of self study as of homework if they'll not
Like
take homework.
imagine if we are in a marriage or a party, if there will be no homework, if we will we have to do self study, we will be not sad and play with our friends if there is any. But if there will be homework, so we can't play with our friends in a marriage, because we will be sad that we can't do our homework. Our teacher will scold us. Our teacher will scold.
Okay, we can also tell to our teacher that we have to go to in a marriage or party, so we can't do homework. You can ask your mother also to tell to your
But
they will not scold you.
but the teacher will say to you that don't you have a little time to do the homework? It's very less. It's very less. If you will give excuse, the teacher will give a bigger excuse. Then what will you do? But if you will do self study, so you can give that I study. But if you will do self study, so you know how to do some sub, like it's math, so you know that how to do sums if you have done self study before. But if it is our homework time, we can just calculate it, or we can just check it in our books that how to solve that question. But if we will do self study, so we will just focus that it is our exam, we have to self study, or it is not our exam,